drifting deeper and deeper to sleep. Now, this time, when I wake you, you will find that you will behave, act, and think like a cat. When I wake you, you will behave and act and think like you think a cat would act. You will become a cat in both body and mind. Now, waking in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awake. You guys there? Same. Kiwi.
Meow.
That just knocked me out of it. That was just kind of funny.
Anyone
Oh
who wants to
God.
take a bath?
No thanks.
Hmm.
I'm gonna get up on my desk.
I'm gonna piss the carpet. I'm just. I was into the groove until Kiwi meow, and then it snapped me out of it.
Listen, there's not a lot of room up here, okay?
So no change for saying, shut up. You
No,
already
I
act like a cat.
broke the change.
Second nature.
I broke the hypnosis.
Second nature on Chad at this point.
It didn't work.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest. That one didn't get me.
All right,
I
that's
just
fair.
I went with it. I felt like I needed to commit because I already said I would outcommit. Maybe I've already hypnotized myself into
Yeah.
outcommitting saying because I wanted to.
Yeah, well. Yeah, that's fine.
That's fine.
Let's see. What else?
But I know who wants to be a cat. I know who wants to be a cat.
Well, we know
Somebody wants to be a cat really bad. Listen, can you meow? That's cute.
Mhm.
That's really cute.
Yeah. Recently
Soft
makes a good
kitty.
cat.
Good kitty. Good girl. You like that? I can see you blushing right there. Listen, you wanna do? You wanna purr? Good girl. That's a good girl. See, that's also hypnosis.
Yep.
When you just speak like that to cute girls, they really get into the groove. Let me give you some scritches recently. Do you like the scritches in the head? Do you want some of that?
This interaction is making me laugh.
I think they love it. I can still see them blushing and smiling. They're even
Yeah.
jiggling a little bit. They're moving. I
Mm-hmm.
like that. What a good kitty. Can you purr some more? Can you purr some more for mommy? Good girl.
All right.